But that's all you could see, correct? You couldn't see sled agents working around down there by the dog kennels.
No, sir. There's planted pines between the residents and the kennels.
So the fact of the matter is, you can't see people at the dog kennels from the house based on your personal observations. Is that correct?
From where I was standing, no, sir.
Now, you also testified about the location of Maggie's phone, how it was found.
Yes, sir.
Did you go out there when it was located?
Yes, sir, I did.
You recall how it was located?
Yes, sir, I do.
How was it located?
We sent information to the phone company for a ping. The ping was actually 20-something hundred meters, which is a long ways. We then learned that she had Find My iPhone on her phone